Just thought I'd do a little update on the 67. Set the bed down on it where we can we're gonna go ahead and put the holes in for the main brace supports of the wood and do a last and final mock-up of the wood and everything, and that way it can just be set right down onto the frame and the bolts put in and be ready to go. But I ordered a new headboard, and just a tip for anybody that's redoing these old trucks: you cannot use a fleet side headboard that has a metal floor in it. You can't use a metal floor headboard in one that has wood in it. I had to find out the hard way. But no, I had the other headboard, had it completely worked out, looking real slick, and then we got to putting the wood in it, and then it would not line up right with the rest of the truck. So anyway, and while I went ahead and got the headboard, I just decided to get a tailgate. So I figured that'd be the best way. There's the tailgate. Got a breather on it, but anyway. But there's the tailgate, and there's some lumber, or the lumber to go in it, bed strips. No, I had to change the water pump on the C10. That's what that box is for. And I got all the parts in to put the bed together, and I reckon now just really all I like is I got the power steering gearbox and the hose in there, or I haven't got the hose yet, but I got the pump, the gearbox, and all I like is the console now, and putting the gearbox on, the power steering, and the power brakes. But other than that, and getting this bed painted, be ready to go. Anyways, just an update. Thanks for watching.